I have one goal with this video, and that is to provide the turkey leg eating public at large with at least one other way to enjoy a turkey leg besides smoking it. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I did was make a brine. So I have about 10 cups of water in this bowl, and we're gonna add the baking soda at a rate of 1 tablespoon per cup of water. Then we're just gonna add about a half a cup to a cup of the kosher salt and get that all stirred up. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind when you're using baking soda is that it's not going to let that water clear up. It's still going to look cloudy, but that doesn't mean that everything is not incorporated, so just be aware of that. Now, for this recipe, I decided to remove the skin off my turkey legs and replace it with bacon. I thought it would be cool, add more flavor. So that's what we're going to do in this step. One by one. While I got the skin off, I'm also going to cut out some of these tendons and stuff like that. That's one of the things that I kind of don't like about eating turkey legs. You encounter so much stuff when you take a bite. So it's easy to see that stuff with the skin off. So I'm gonna just run my knife right underneath the tendons and stuff like that and cut out as much of that as I can. Now let's get the grill set up for a hot and fast indirect cooking. I'm gonna pile a chimney full of unlit coals on one side, and then I'll light 10 to 15 briquettes and pour them on the top of my unlit coals, right in the center. This is gonna cause those coals to burn slowly down and out, which will give us a consistent temperature over a long period of time. So now it's time to prep these turkey legs. All right, so I already took them out of the brine and I dried them off, and now we just want to get some seasoning on it. And I'm just going to be seasoning these up with a nice coating of bone-sucking sauce, just making sure to get it on all sides. Once I got done with that, I wrapped each one of these turkey legs in bacon. I did that off camera. Then I seasoned the bacon with this honey garlic rub from Weber. Very good stuff. So all that's left to do now is just put these babies on the grill. My grill is running nice and hot. It's somewhere between 350 to 400 degrees. That's exactly where I want them. And I'm just gonna lay them down on the grill in a straight line with the thickest part facing the heat. And we'll let them go for about a half an hour, and then we'll come out here and check on them. So it's been about 30 minutes now, and my turkey legs are starting to look good, man. Bacon is starting to take on some color, and I'm liking the overall pace that they're cooking at. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flip them, make sure that they're getting the same color on all sides so they look good in the presentation. And we'll check back in another 30 minutes. Let's do another temperature check. It's been about another half an hour or so. Let's see where we at. We should be pretty close to done if we're not already. Oh yeah, baby. These bad boys are done and they look amazing. It's time to pull these babies off the grill. That one almost looks like a turkey lollipop. So long story short, man, these things came out amazing. Like, I'm not even exaggerating, man. They were so good. They were so juicy and so much more flavor. They still had a few tendons. You know, you can't get them all out, man. You'll have to tear up the meat and everything to try to get them all out. But just cutting out a few of them just made the whole bite, the whole experience of eating a turkey leg more enjoyable for me. So I hope you found this video useful, man. If you did, the most important thing you can do to help me get it in front of more people is to just hit that like button, man. It only takes a second. It's free, but it really, really, really helps a video get out there. Also, if you're looking for more unique ways to enjoy turkey or to cook turkey, especially on the grill, I got a whole playlist full of stuff, man, that you'll like, and you'll find it right here. All right, we'll see you next time on Ron on the Grill.